just to let you guys know, I'm recording this for the people that aren't here. Okay, so we're gonna enter in our data. I've already set up the spreadsheet with these headings. You can pause the video if you're watching this afterwards and set up the headings. And I'm just gonna enter in data from one of the students that I got, but you're gonna enter in your own data. Okay, so the systematic uncertainty is going to be constant, a constant value of 0.001 meters. Now, one of the things I'll be looking for with your labs is that everything is at the same level of precision. All right, so if you went to the thousandths of a meter, which is fine because we had millimeter uncertainty, that's what your uncertainty should be at, and that's what. Well, it's not necessarily going to be the same between your dependent and independent variables, but all of your dependent variable values should all be at the same level of uncertainty. Alright, so now if you want to do the average, I showed you this yesterday in class, it's equals average. You can open the bracket, select the three values that you want to take the average of, which are the three runs, and close the bracket. And hit enter, and it should give you the average. Now everybody look on my screen, I'm going to show you some Excel magic here, okay? You don't even have to copy and paste in Excel. When you highlight any cell, there's a little square at the bottom right corner of the cell. And if I click and drag that down, it'll copy that same formula all the way down. And it'll calculate all the averages right away. And then all we have to do is fix the number of decimals that we want. So while it's still highlighted, you can find I think in OpenOffice they look very similar to these buttons, but you find the button that changes the decimal value until you get down to 3 significant digits. Okay, I'm going to do that whole thing again, just to show you if you got lost. So, equals average, open the bracket, select the 3 values that you want to take the average of. Close bracket, hit enter. Click back on the cell, click that little bolded corner, the bottom right corner, click and drag all the way down, and it fills it down. And then you can change the number of decimal places with these buttons up here. And don't forget to save your document. Alright, so to calculate the random uncertainty, equals, and there's an automatic function built in to find the max and min values of a certain a set of numbers. So equals max, and you highlight your 3 runs, not including the average. Okay. Minus min, and again, you highlight the same 3 runs. Then I'm going to go up into my editing box, and I'm going to put brackets around that whole numerator. And divide by the number of trials, which is, you can just type in a 3 there. Alright, and we fill that down all the way. Okay, I'm going to show that all over again. Okay? So we want to get the maximum of the 3 runs minus the minimum of the 3 runs divided by 3. So, equals max of the 3 runs, close bracket, minus minimum, or just min, of the 3 runs. Then I went up into this editing bar up here and I put brackets around it, because that's the whole numerator. And now I can click just divided by 3. And again, I don't have to retype it. I don't even have to copy and paste. All I have to do is grab that bottom right corner and fill down. Now here's the problem. We've got a bunch of different levels of uncertainty here. Again, in IB, they're really sticky about how many levels of precision you have. You should match the uncertainty to the precision of your data. So, for example, if my average goes to the thousandth place, that's what I'm going to round my uncertainty to. Okay, so we're going to decrease the amount of decimals until it matches the 3 from the average. Okay, so the precision of my uncertainty is equal to, matches the precision of the average. I wouldn't want to have an uncertainty going to the millionth decimal place. Okay, I want to round it to the same level as the average. Give you another 2 minutes to get caught up, and then we'll keep going. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, in Logger Pro, as soon as you